speech, expression, to state something properly, and how to express yourselves among people, among public. As we know, dear students, that we have gathered here in this vast hall of Darut Talim wa Sanad under the auspices of Jamiatul Islah, where Bazm Jauhar is being organized under the supervision of Mufti Ashiq Ilahi Nadwi, the principal of DTS Darut Talim wa Sanad Jajmau in Kanpur. We are privileged that